Hello everyone! On this episode, we'll show you on how to disassemble 13-inch mid-2013 MacBook Air. For this teardown, you would need Pentalobe P5, Torx T5, and Torx T8 screwdriver. Also, plastic Spudger tool is recommended but not necessary, which you can find them all under one toolkit in our website or find the list in the description of this video. First, you need to remove the bottom case of your MacBook Air using the P5 Pentalobe screwdriver. First, remove the 10 screw from the back. Now slide your finger behind the back case and pull back. Once back case is removed, it's time to disconnect the battery cable from the logic board in order to perform safe disassembly and avoid frying the sensitive electronic components. Next, using T5 screwdriver, open the 5 screws that hold the battery to the main chassis and remove the battery. Once battery is removed, it's recommended to hold the power button for 10 seconds to drain any remaining power from the logic board. Next, remove the I/O flex cable that connects the top of the I/O board to the logic board. Now, disconnect the I/O board power cable from the logic board by pulling it back from the connector housing. Next, disconnect the display eyesight camera cable from the logic board by pulling back gently and make sure to avoid damaging the cable by putting too much stress on the cable. Next, unlock the fan connector mechanism and remove the flex cable. Next, unlock the trackpad connector on the logic board and remove the flex cable. And now, unlock the connector on the trackpad and remove the flex cable. Next, unlock the keyboard backlight connector on the logic board and remove the flex cable. Now disconnect the speaker on the left. And next, unlock the display cable by pulling up the plastic on the lock and pull back the cable in flat position until it's fully out of the connector housing to avoid damaging the pins. You can also get some help from your plastic tool to push back the pin. Now unplug the 2 Wi-Fi antenna using your plastic tool. Apply small amount of pressure from the below of the small golden tip, and that will get them disattached and move away the cable. Next, gently remove and pull the fan rubber gasket. Next, unplug the right speaker cable. And now, unlock the mic connector, then pull to remove the flex cable. Next, using your T5 screwdriver, remove the only screw of the SSD storage, and then gently pull back the SSD to remove from the slot. Now, using your T5 screwdriver, remove the only screw of the Wi-Fi card and then gently pull back to remove from the slot. Next, remove the 3 T5 screw from the fan. Now, gently remove the CPU fan. Next, remove the 7 T5 screws that secures the tip of the heatsink and logic board to the main chassis. Now clear the cables around the logic board to make way for the board removal, and gently lift the logic board from the end of the heatsink. Next, using your T5 screwdriver, remove the only screw of the I/O power board and gently lift the I/O power board. Now, using your T8 screwdriver, remove the 6 screws that are securing the LCD to the main chassis. Finally, it's time to disattach the LCD from the main chassis. Using your fingers, slightly open the LCD like you normally do until it gets completely removed. And lastly, to remove the speakers from the main chassis, you need to pull them gently from the top side until the glue gets slowly separated. Make sure not to bend or put extra pressure, as that can break the speakers. You may also use separating tools. We truly appreciate if you like and share our video, and please subscribe to our channel for more video like this one. And last, please visit our website techdep.com if you need any Mac parts or tools. For now, take care and see you on the next video, and happy repairing.